Samsung has launched its new affordable 5G phone under M series in India called Galaxy M06. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M06 5G features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center that boasts an 8-megapixel selfie camera, with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy M06 5G comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1.5 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 15, based on One UI 7 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 4 years of OS and security updates. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.4 by 77.4 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy M06 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 9,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128 GB storage option is priced at 10,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 7th, in blazing black and sage green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M06 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSoul Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.